Welcome back guys, I'm Ardent Lad here. In this video we will talk about the series which you must watch. The first one is Dark. Unlike any other time travel series or movies, Dark displays time as an element. The creators did an excellent job in storytelling and by keeping the plot together and surprising us in every episode. The plot is very confusing. Even if you watch the whole series, you will still feel that you have missed something. It is one of the best mind-boggling time travel science fiction story that I came across in the recent times. The second one is Cosmos. Words are not enough to tell how good series is. You can gain more knowledge about Earth, our ancient unknown inventors who sacrificed their life to search for the truth, our universe, star galaxy, each and everything we have less knowledge about. The 13 episodes complete the journey from beginning of a universe to the end. It covers all scientific rules of the nature, how technology developed and mind-blowing animations of history where works of many scientists are portrayed. The amount of information that can be received is staggering. Neil Tyson is one of the best astrophysicists and the way he has explained it's remarkable. One of the best television series I've ever watched. The third one is Silicon Valley, one of my favorite shows ever. There's comedy, suspense, coding made fun, and the cast of this show is just love. It follows the story of a brilliant software engineer named Richard and his team, the Pied Piper. The crew on their event-filled journey in building a startup company hinged on Richard's unique compression algorithm. It's filled with lots of exciting cliffhangers and comedic moments and truly stands out. One of the best tech show ever watched. The next one is Kota Factory. The series beautifully portrays how a teenager who is still not an adult has to concentrate in the books and his studies despite all sorts of pressure, friendship and infatuation. Everything they have shown is a reality. Every situation in the show teaches us lessons. It's one of the best Indian web series I've ever watched. Every single element in the series is so relatable to the students who are in their 11th and 12th, and one of the best thing I was learned was fix your goal and keep trying hard and you can nail it. Nothing is impossible. There will be many deja vus that will make you grin foolishly throughout the show. Make sure you watch it. The next one is BoJack Horseman. This series is just about a horse, BoJack, lost in a sea of self-loathing and booze, decides it's time for a comeback. I am absolutely in love with this show. The way it shows how actual human connections are flawless. It gets raw, yet it still manages to be comedic at the same time. I don't have to admit it, I judged the show harshly when it came out first. The series wants to convey us all that going to rehab and some of the toughest times in your life just teaches us how can we come back from being maniacally to being sober and normal again. The next one is The Last Dance. It's one of the best TV series I've ever watched. It's a 2020 American sports documentary starring Michael Jordan and the entire team of Chicago Bulls. It gives an insight about all the commitment towards his passion and the game. You will feel excited and pumped up after watching one of the greatest sports person in the history. I have immense respect for the stars beyond any sport because of the discipline and hard work they have put into it. This is one of the most inspiring, motivating and the most interesting documentary I've ever watched. I just loved it. It's a must watch for each and everyone. It will definitely change your outlook towards each and everything. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and let me in the comment section how was the video.